So there are certain things that we need, because love at the core we all need in life. Love is one which is needed since the time we are in our mother's womb until the time we reach to the grave. Even after that, we do want that people do remember us, so that's the feeling of love that each one of us want to love, remembrance, fondness, whatever you name it. So in order to build a very very strong and healthy relationship, there are some prerequisites, or there are something that should be taken care of. And and I would love if any one of you can let me know, do you think there is any one thing that you would like to come up with that should be there, or that could make the relationship strong? किसी को भी अगर कुछ कहना है, feel free to just unmute and let me know that what can build this relationship really, really strong and deep. Anyone, any comments, any suggestion, all
Trust,
perspectives?
faith,
Yes.
and
Hmm.
regular communication and understanding.
Definitely. Yes. Yes. You named it all: trust, faith, regular communication, all is needed. Definitely. Thank you so much. So, definitely it is needed. Now, let us come and think of that why? Why do we need to build it? Like it should be built automatically. Why do we need to build it? सो इन द एंटायर वेबिनार आई विल बी टॉकिंग अबाउट, बहुत सी ऐसे बातें करेंगे जिसके वजह से जाने अनजाने में हमारे ये ब्यूटीफुल रिलेशनशिप खराब हो जाते हैं, या इट लूजेस इट्स फ्रेग्रेंस, इट लूजेस इट्स करिश्मा as the time goes, as if fade हो जाते हैं. So we'll understand why things and our love life or our relationships fades with time if not handled carefully. So I would like you all to imagine, right now I will be talking, and then after the webinar we'll be having 10-15 minutes where I would love to hear from each one of you your perspective, and any question and answers are welcomed. So I would like you all to imagine one situation, like suppose आपके लाइफ में अगर ऐसा कोई भी है, या कहीं ना कहीं जाने अनजाने में अगर आप भी ऐसा कर जाते हैं, या ऐसा कुछ होता है कि where every morning you wake up, and you wake up as if there is certain things that you say or you tell, or the gestural way में it comes to your loved ones. कुछ ऐसी बातें आपके मुंह से निकलती है या आपके एटीट्यूड से निकलता है, एंड मे बी दो स्टफ यू रियली डोंट वांट टू टेल देम, और यू डोंट वांट टू ब्रिंग दोज stuff or those expressions on your face, फिर भी निकल जाता है. एंड देन वी हैव अ टेंडेंसी, माइट बी, हाँ, कि अरे मैं तो मजाक कर रहा था, वी जस्ट से अरे तुमसे कुछ नहीं होगा, तुम छोड़ दो, एंड देन वी से अरे नहीं 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 मैं मजाक कर रहा था. सो मेनी अ टाइम्स इट इज सीन कि ये मजाक भी ऑलवेज हैज सम एलिमेंट ऑफ ट्रुथ. कुछ तो सच्चाई रहती है हमारे मन में, कहीं ना कहीं कुछ दबी भी वो फीलिंग रह जाती है सामने वाले के प्रति, जो एक्सपेक्टेशंस है, अनमेट एक्सपेक्टेशंस, because of which we end up saying certain things, though we don't want to say, yet we end up saying something, and the other person starts feeling it. Because uh, रोज 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 या प्राय ऑफन अक्सर कही हुई बातें में कुछ तो एलिमेंट ऑफ सच्चाई रह जाती है. या नाउ दैट पर्सन हैज इट कि अरे यार ये तो रोज की बात हो गई है. एंड दिस इज हाउ इट सेट्स द ग्राउंड फॉर ब्लेम गेम एंड डिफरेंसेस. लाइक हमारे आपस के रिलेशनशिप में एक ब्लेम गेम, वी स्टार्ट पिन पॉइंटिंग नोइंगली अननोइंगली, एंड देर इज लॉट ऑफ डिफरेंसेस दैट गेट्स क्रिएटेड. ठीक है, नो मैटर हाउ हार्ड वी ट्राई सेइंग इट दैट इट वाज जस्ट अ जोक, या मैं ऐसे कह रहा था, मेरा मूड सही नहीं था इसलिए मैं कह रहा था या कह रही थी. बट दिस is it is totally a beginning of blame game. So there must be some healthy boundaries, there must be some healthy way of communications, because every now and then if we start saying something or the other which we really don't mean, and still we say it, means it has some truth. We need to check that. Okay, so let's understand how and what all things can help us to have an abundant love relationship. It has to be very healthy one. Yeah. So now what's the objective of today? So I will not deny to the fact that there are some relationships which have become so toxic that we can't ignore that. This is the truth. This might not be, whatever I'm speaking might not be, valid for some of the relationships, because जिंदगी में ऐसे ऐसे कुछ relations होते हैं जो समय के साथ बहुत ही toxic हो गए हैं, and might be whatever I say might not apply to those relationships, but I'm sure कि लेकिन ये जो भी चीज़ मैं आज बात करूंगी अपने आप पर ज़रूर लागू कर सकते, बिकॉज अबव एवरीथिंग कम्स द रिलेशनशिप विद दिस सेल्फ. सो unless we love ourselves, and we will never be able to love anybody else. So no matter, even if you don't have somebody or some relationship which are getting strained and you want to improve them, at least relationship with self can always be improved. By hearing me out today, I would love to know from each one of you at the end of the webinar. Yeah, so I am just excluding those relationships which have really turned toxic. Now, other than that, this can be applicable. The objective is this, all that we talk today is applicable for any kind of relationship, be it friends, be it employer-employee relationship. Though I would be focusing more on the couples today, be it married, be it relationship. So I'll be more focusing more on them today. But अगर आपकी जिंदगी में कोई भी ऐसा रिलेशन है जिसके बारे में आप कुछ चेंजेस लाना चाहते हैं, तो उस पर्सन को आप ध्यान कर सकते हैं. कीप दैट पर्सन इन माइंड and try and see where things can shift, so that it brings a transformation in you and the relationships too. Okay, so it is applicable to all who are willing to change and make the relationship even perfect. So now let us understand कि हमारे relationship में stress या conflict areas कैसे start होते हैं, ये कहाँ से start होते हैं. So where on my screen I see many young people, be it Mahima, I see Ayushi, I see Nitish, I see Vidhi, I see Neelam. तो मैं उनका example लेके use कर रही हूँ, but it is applicable to all. So maybe ये नए growing up people, they are in their own journey of life. अभी इन्हें घर भी बसाना है, maybe a new apartment, maybe getting into a new relationship. Maybe some of them, as time passes by, they get married, they have time for having children, I mean the first baby, or even in work context there can be so much. Maybe some of you are promoted to new positions, so all this involves and demand more time, isn't it? तो जब ये ज़्यादा समय देना होता है, मे बी काम की वजह से you are away from home, and there is a tendency in the other partner or the other person to start this blame game because he or she misses you, because you are away from home. And these hurdles start showing up because already आपके लाइफ में बहुत अलग अलग तरह के स्ट्रेस आ जाते हैं. तो ये हर्डल्स के रूप में आपको नजर आने लग जाता है when you do not get that support, or you do not get that love that you look for at home or with your colleague, with your partners. More likely यहाँ पे मैं आपके the spouses and your boyfriends and girlfriends की बात कर रही हूँ. So we need those shoulders, जहाँ पे हम बोल सकते हैं या जो हमें सहरा सकते हैं कि yes, you are going through so much in life. But in turn, if we do not get that, तो क्या होता है? There are many unmet expectations. There are many poor conflicts that can happen, and we do have a tendency to speak in certain way that really disturbs or breaks the trust, as somebody rightly pointed out that trust is needed. वो trust or respect as if हिल जाता है because of the poor communication that we start having. एक दूसरे के साथ हमारी कम्युनिकेशन की जो लैंग्वेज है शायद वही चेंज हो जाती है, बिकॉज मे बी द अदर पर्सन इज नॉट एबल टू हैंडल or accept or adjust all these changes or the shifts that you are going through the life. And when there is a poor communication, loss of respect, and all this can happen where we feel that our relationship is really getting out of our hand. So let's understand generally first the two type of personality that I would like to talk to. So जैसा कि हम जानते हैं, broadly speaking, there are two category of people. One is the very extrovert one, the other one could be very introvert one. So let us understand the features of extroverts and introverts, though this is very common one. So जो extroverts होते हैं ना, they look for extroverts time. I'm sorry, this is just gone the reverse way. So introverts, this is just gone the reverse way. Okay, introverts need me time. Okay, I'm so sorry, this is my mistake. The extroverts need we time. ओके, एक्सट्रोवर्ट्स वो होते हैं जो बहुत फिजिकल इन नेचर होते हैं, who love to smile, they find it difficult to hold secrets, they are very jolly, bubbly, and they love to be praised. And on the other hand, as we all know, introverts are the people who want their time, me time. Okay, this is right, मेरे स्क्रीन पे मुझे फ्लिप दिखा था. सो यू नो इंट्रोवर्ट्स की तो ऐसी आदत होती है कि इवन स्माइल करने से पहले भी वो एक बार सोचते हैं कि दिस इस चीज को क्या मैं स्माइल करूं. आई मीन दे आर दैट काइंड ऑफ पीपल. इट इज नॉट गुड और बैड, इट इज जस्ट द वे दे आर. ओके, सो इंट्रोवर्ट्स लाइक टू कीप थिंग्स वेरी सीक्रेट. यू नो, जब तक राइट टाइम नहीं आते, दे जस्ट डोंट वांट टू टॉक अबाउट इट. एंड introverts are the one who can't accept praise publicly. To explain this, let me tell you, use an example. Now मान लीजिए मैं एक बहुत ही extrovert kind of person हूँ, बहुत ही physical in nature. When I'm saying extrovert, I mean physical in nature. And when I say physical in nature, means somebody who loves to dress, who loves to talk, who loves very jolly bubbly type of person. अब मुझे अगर किसी चीज की प्रमोशन मिली और मुझे कोई पर्सनली शायद प्रेज करे, तो मुझे अच्छा नहीं लगेगा. मुझे लगेगा आई विश मुझे सबके सामने प्रेज किया होता. Because for me praise means to be in front of everyone, yeah, if I am that kind of personality. And on the other hand, if I am a very very introvert person, I would not like if somebody praises me in public. I would say अरे यार, इससे बढ़िया बेटर होता मुझे ऑफिस में ही बोल देता, या मुझे ही बोल देता, सबके सामने क्यों बोलना था. सो सी देर इज नो प्रॉब्लम कि प्रेज कैसे करना था, या करना था कि नहीं करना था, बट इट इज हाउ आई टेक इट. If I'm an introvert, I might not like talking too much. I might like to talk short and meaningful sentences, very small, you know, just very, very precise. A precise word holds really true in their life. And if I am an extrovert or a physical kind of person, मुझे हर चीज को ना बहुत ही, you know, that अगर हम हिंदी में बोलते बहुत ही रंगीले मिजाज के, you know, we love everything. So उसके लिए, so these are the two broad personality if we have to look in life. So now I want, why have I put this slide? I want to tell you that each person is actually unique in their life. You know, we all have our own way and our own perceptions to respond. ठीक है, सो अगर मैं बहुत इंट्रोवर्ट इन नेचर हूँ, तो आई विल नेवर, यू नो, दैट्स द वे आई लुक एट थिंग्स. सो आई वुड नेवर अप्रिशिएट talking too much, giving too much of my time to somebody else. I am more me type of person. Whereas suppose if my partner is a very extrovert or a physical kind of person who would love to have more of we time, where he wants my time, maybe the kids time, maybe friends time, so there are the chances of having conflicts. बट हाउ कैन वी अवॉइड दिस कॉन्फ्लिक्ट्स? अगर हम बहुत क्लियर ये समझ लेते हैं कि वेदर द पर्सन व्हेन ही और शी इज सेइंग समथिंग, इज ही और शी ब्लेमिंग मी, और रादर इट इज देयर वे ऑफ लुकिंग एट थिंग्स, या इट इज देयर वे ऑफ रिस्पॉन्डिंग. अगर हम अपने नेचर को और अपने पार्टनर की नेचर को बहुत अच्छे से समझ ले, सो यू कैन आइडेंटिफाई वेदर यू फॉल इनटू दिस इंट्रोवर्ट कैटेगरी और यू फॉल इनटू द एक्सट्रोवर्ट कैटेगरी, और योर फ्यूचर रिलेशन इफ यू आर एमिंग एट should fall in which category. तो बहुत सी समझदारी आ जाती है. समझदारी in the sense the way to understand that person, the becomes really really better. And here I would like to tell one more thing, that you know, each one of us has a referral point. When I say referral point, there are incidences in past when we were growing up, because of which we turn into an introvert or an extrovert, because we all are born physical. In the sense, we all are born very extrovert kind, मतलब जिनको love express करना, you know, to dress beautifully, to speak out and be very open. Children are all born physical. But maybe because of our referral points in life, the time when we were kids and we were growing up, all that we saw made us either an introvert, or for some people they still remained the extrovert. But again, there is nothing right or wrong, this is just the way we are. Okay, so there are certain traits, personality types that gets built. So broadly they can be divided into two types. Okay, so agar abhi bhi kahin par bhi agar somewhere you felt that, you know, you have been blamed by somebody very very important to you in life, you can just check, was it his or her true nature? Is it the way he or she speaks, or was it really, you know, you internalized it, apne upar anguli aapne blame ki anguli feel ki thi. So that's what, and if you need any further details, we'll talk about it more. Okay, so understanding the true broad perspective of human types, let's move to another next slide, which says, if you want to create abundance in relationships, you require a combination of few things. The first thing that I would tell you is the willingness to give and receive love. And the second would be communication skills. Now, what happens, you know, anytime in life, we communicate out of our resentments, our own anger. And I would say that anger is nothing, but it is just a bodyguard of certain emotions which we don't want to feel. हम जब जब गुस्सा होते हैं, गुस्सा is just, a kind of defense that we are using in order not to let our other emotions which are deep down to come up. So we do get angry, and we get angry only and only, just to protect ourselves. Because if we don't get angry, then what happens? We become, there might be a tendency कि हम बहुत hurt हो जाए. और अगर हम hurt हो जाए, hurt is really a hard thing. Nobody wants to feel hurt. So it's better to show anger that सामने वाला becomes fearful and will not hurt you. This is the general human tendency. So because we don't want to feel hurt, we try to become angry. Okay. And why we don't want to feel hurt? Because the moment we feel hurt, we have a belief, most of us have a belief that when we feel hurt, we are very vulnerable, and none of us want to be vulnerable, because we have a connection that whoever feels vulnerable maybe is less powerful, maybe that person is powerless. So we generally, we are, this is the kind of pattern or an upbringing that most of us have gone through, where we are taught not to be vulnerable. Yeah. And that, because vulnerable means maybe powerless, it may mean that it's better you show anger and get rid out of the situation. Ki when I am angry, nobody would dare to speak to me. ठीक है. So think about it, कि whenever you are angry, there is some hidden emotion beneath. वो आप anger के नीचे उसको cover कर देना चाहते हैं, because maybe you don't want to feel hurt, maybe you don't want to feel sad, maybe you don't want to feel powerless, or maybe a vulnerable वाला side you don't want to. So what happens, is attitude के वजह से many a times we might end up, putting away or pushing away the relationships that we really really love, the person whom we really love, अपने ही एटीट्यूड से, अपने ही वे ऑफ कम्युनिकेशन से, अपने ही रिजेंटमेंट्स जनरली कब होती है, जब हमारी अनमेट एक्सपेक्टेशंस रहती है उस पर्टिकुलर पर्सन से. सो बिकॉज ऑफ दोज अनमेट एक्सपेक्टेशंस, now unmet expectation is our own expectation from the other person. Okay, so this is something that is happening in my mind only. These are all my mind's creation, and hence what happens, I end to behave in a certain way, I end to talk in a certain way, I am close to receive any form of love, I am close to give any kind of, regards or strength to that relationship, and hence maybe I might push that very very loved one to another corner of my life. Actually maybe बहुत दूर हम उसको पहुंचा सकते हैं, इस relationship को end कर जाते हैं. So now let's understand that suppose if we want to change this tendency, it is indirectly the tendency of playing, a blame game kind of. So we have to become really, really self-aware. So if you want to become self-aware, so certain techniques and tools I am sharing today with you, and these are only and only self-improvement things. Okay, so don't use these as weapons to, criticize or blame the other person. These are only and only things that we are talking, where you can retrain your brain, your mind, and be very, very aware once when you understand from where do you operate. So let's understand this blame game we were talking. So मान लीजिए जब मैं बहुत गुस्सा हूँ, या when I am angry, so what happens, basically I feel maybe wounded, मे बी मिसअंडरस्टूड, कि मैं गुस्सा कब होंगी, जब आप मुझे समझ नहीं रहे हो, या सामने वाला मुझे समझने की कोशिश नहीं कर रहा है, बिकॉज ऑफ विच आई एम रियली रियली हर्ट, आई फील एब्सोल्युटली वुंडेड. सो व्हाट हैपेंस, अब मुझे अगर वो सही भी बोल रहा हो या बोल रही हो, दोज थिंग्स विल अपियर टू मी एज लूप होल्स. सामने वाले की पर्सनालिटी में मुझे बिल्कुल बिल्कुल ऐसा लगेगा एज इफ simply the person is trying to blame me, क्योंकि all the acts, the words starts getting magnified in my mind, because I have my unmet need, I am angry, I am wounded. So मुझे हर उसकी कही हुई बात ऐसे लगेगी as if that person is trying to counter me or attack me basically. So I will start defending myself. So basically इस anger issues में, इस blame game में, what do we end up, we store a lot of hurt and pain. अगर मैं उसको एक नाम दूं, इस हर्ट एंड पेन को, मैं ऐसा कह सकती हूँ, इट कैन बी जस्ट अ बिग बैग ऑफ रिजेंटमेंट्स, एंड रिजेंटमेंट्स इज अ बिग टाइम किलर in any form of relationships. When we have resentments, we are able to kill any beautiful relationships, any relationship that is, you know, very precious and dear to us. But because we have these resentments, unmet expectations, misunderstandings gets created, and the relation is ready to die. It is ready to be, you know, killed basically. So now when we have these resentments, what happens, we start acting as if या तो हम खुद विक्टिम बनने लगते हैं या सामने वाले को विक्टिम बना के ही मानेंगे, काइंड ऑफ एक अंदर में एक रिवेंज वाली एटीट्यूड आ जाती है. And then with, you know, this anger all over the time, it gets, you know, over the time it really become even more, we start becoming even more harsh to the person whom we loved at one time. वो love कहीं और चला जाता है. Yeah, so we over the time we try and, you know, वो जो relationship जो हम, maybe we are just couple now in terms of, you know, for the name's sake. Why? Because वो अंदर की आपसी understanding is all lost. We have lot of resentments against each other. Each one of us is trying to feel as if I am the victim, or some my spouse or my partner or my boyfriend is the victim, or my girlfriend. So, you know, that victim wala game ka attitude aa jata hai. So if we really want to retrain our mind, then we have to let go of this big bag of resentments that we are carrying for somebody who means so much to us. And unfortunately, unknowingly, you know, we enter into a war, एक ऐसे war में जहाँ there will be no loser. हाँ, मतलब there will be no winner. I mean, both will be loser. There cannot be anybody who will win the game, because both of you are important. Both of us would be important to each other. Okay, so in order to win this game, we have to understand that it's high time, it would be, to give away this bag of resentments, to release this bag of resentments, to release our past referral points, to, you know, stop coming again and again to our pain points. Basically, I would say we must surrender it to the higher, you know, universe. Ki bhai, I completely surrender and let me start. If you want to start afresh, so think about all your past resentments, your unhappiness, your pain, and think of sending it to the universe. And at the same time, start taking responsibility that out of 10, agar 10 बार आपने hurt हुआ है, so is it 10 times the other person tried to hurt you? Or is it just, you know, a few times they did hurt you, and rest of the time your mind started taking that, you know, as hurt. Okay? So it is our responsibility to understand what are the emotions, what are the unmet expectations that we are trying to camouflage, maybe by by having poor communication, maybe because of anger issues that we are doing. So if needed, agar apni mistakes aapko kahin bhi pata chalti hai, तो it's okay to apologize for it. And you know, whatever unhappiness got created, it's okay to take responsibility. Now let's move to what self-awareness means. So I would say, if somebody uses the sense of this self-awareness, so one person must now stop using anger. You may use any other emotion, but stop using anger. And by chance, if you have this anger, then I would like you to sit, take a deep breath, and understand and try to think, what is it that you are trying to hide under this emotion of anger? So any other emotion is okay. Okay, so it would be really a nice idea next time, whenever you feel really angry, instead of reacting at that moment, I would request you to just sit, realize what is making you upset. You can even take deep breaths and think about what's really going on. And you might ask yourself that what is the biggest feeling that I'm trying to hide underneath, and that is how I'm expressing this anger. Okay, so anger is really tough, a good one, camouflage karne ke liye. Now next comes that there are moments where we can raise the bar. Where we can raise the bar means, as if, you know, जैसे we are like, we at times ऐसा होता है, moments ऐसे मिलते हैं जहाँ पे if one partner is unhappy, sad, upset because of something that has happened in life, the other partner, instead of, you know, criticizing, instead of entering into conflict, can just press something or do something, or just take up the challenge of how to make the partner happy who has lost something. So instead of, just conflicting, अरे तुम्हारी तो आदत ही हो गई है, you are like this, you to always have the tendency of getting late, making things delayed, etc., etc. Instead, if we try and understand and put that partner of us who's feeling low into another position by raising the bar, means just helping the person to get uplifted, in the sense of mood upliftment, I would say here. The third thing that I would like to say is, many a times, instead of trying hard, when you feel that the things are not moving the way they are supposed to move, then there is always possibility of using assertive communication. So assertive communication means I wala statement, जैसे I would like, I would love if you help me doing this. So इसमें क्या होता है, when I am taking that on me, तो वो ब्लेम टेंडेंसी से हट के वो क्रिटिसाइज हट जाता है, वो ब्लेमिंग हट जाता है. दैट इज एज इफ मैं अपनी फीलिंग की बात कर रही हूँ. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, सपोज घर पे कई सारे गेस्ट आ गए, एंड आज के डेट में अगर यू आर इन टू सच प्लेसेस वे यू हैव टू डू द वर्क बाय योर सेल्फ, or you have to organize everything by yourself. So maybe if today I am doing it, okay, so I, after the party is over, or whenever I get chance to speak to my husband, I would always use, and I feel that I was not helped, so I would always use statements like, I would love अगर next time तुम भी मुझे help कर दो, या तुम मुझे ये ला के दे दो. So this is not like as if I am blaming it to him, I am pointing out to him. It is like, I would love means कि मुझे शायद ये ऐसा लगे, अच्छा लगेगा. So when we do this, message भी communicate हो जाता है, and effectively communicate hota hai. There is no premises of blaming the other person. So mindful communication is really, really important. So these are certain things, agar hum log thode aware ho jaए, and instead of anger, if we have better way to talk, if we have, if we try and use something which can lift the mood of the other person, somebody who's really important to me, if he or she is not feeling good about a particular thing, and then there is a tendency or a habit of using assertive communication, lot can shift at my personal level and whoever uses it. Now let's quickly look at the 3 C's that I would like you to take this back home in order to bring a shift in any relationship. So once again, as usual, I would remind each one of you that it is a process and it requires ongoing efforts and commitment. Just hearing me out and you think everything will change, aisa nahi hota hai. We have to have the habit of practicing it. So many a times what happens, since we take people for granted, we take relationships for granted, so we have generally a tendency, as if unko granted leke, we constantly we are on their back, as if we really start कि उनकी एग्जिस्टेंस को भी somehow we नजरअंदाज हम कर देते हैं. Yeah. So one day I was reading one of the book and I came across a line where I really, really felt connected. And it goes like, people go everywhere where they are invited, right? But they would choose to stay only where they feel valued. So this line really touched me कि हाँ, people जाते हैं, invite करने जाते हैं, but अगर हम वहाँ valued feel करते, तो we feel a very different kind of surge in energy. We feel good about the situation, about relationships, and about meeting and joining people. So if possible, try and start valuing people who are really precious in your life. So I just read this line and it just came to my mind that people do go wherever they are invited, but they would love to stay where they feel, where they are, where they feel that yes, they are valued. Okay, so that's what it is. So we need to be very we have to find meaning, we have to find ways, specific ways which might work in each one's case, because one rule cannot work in everybody's case. So I can just tell you the broad things, and now as per your situations you can just tailor it as per your need. So let's understand what is the first C. Now the first C is about being curious. So here I'm using the word curious just to say that it is okay to be curious, to understand, to know your partner in a better way. Not curious as if अरे क्यों नहीं हुआ, क्यों नहीं हुआ, क्या किया तुमने, क्या किया, क्या नहीं किया. Curious to understand what happened, how the day went, how he or she is feeling. It's curious to know them better, basically. Then the second one, which I would say, is be very, very courteous. If we are not courteous, if we are not careful, in expressing or in talking or in gestures, then there is a very very big tendency, or there is a very very big probability that we hurt the other person, and in turn we hurt ourselves. And basically, in order to hurt ourselves, what do? We end up using faulty way of communication. So this faulty way of communication can crush everything in life. So in order to get over this hurdle of this poor way of conflicts, this poor way of communication, we need, because remember, if our needs are not met, we become so frustrated that we start talking in certain way which is not at all appropriate. So think about your unmet expectations, and we should learn skills that can help us. So these are certain skills, these are certain C's which, if you want, you can take in life. And the previous slide which was talking about self awareness. So once when we are aware and we know how to communicate, then this response, this way of talking will change. And once the way of talking changes, lot can change in life. So generally I would say, that all human beings have a tendency to enter into a enter into a into something just as to defend oneself. So जैसे हम बोलते हैं ना, फाइट एंड फ्लाइट मैकेनिज्म, एज इफ हम घुस जाते हैं जस्ट टू डिफेंड आवर सेल्फ, कि मैं जो बोल रहा हूँ या बोल रही हूँ वही सही है. बट अंडरनीथ वी फॉरगेट that सामने वाले का भी कोई there must be something that the person must be thinking. So instead of knowing why the person acted in a certain way or spoke certain word, हम क्या करते हैं, we start giving our own resentments in a very polished and covered way maybe. So that just drives the other person, really pushes the other person away from us. So it's better, in order, if we want to communicate, it's better to first connect to the other person, understand what the person wanted to say, try and have that much of patience to understand what the other person wanted to say. And then when we communicate, the communication goes to another level. And at times there may be times when the other person did really good, but just because it did not happen the way I wanted it, I end up criticizing instead of appreciating. So there may be points, there may be time in life where we should hold back our own, insatiable way, or where I don't feel satisfied because the person behaved in a certain way, which is not up to my expectation. And then, जो हम बोलते हैं तू तड़ांग करके बोल देना, अरे कौन से महान काम करके आए हो, हम भी तो करके आए हैं, and all those things. So instead of giving, some constructive feedback, we start blaming them, we start shaming them, we start unknowingly, this is all unknowingly, because this is how we lose when we get angry or frustrated. So it is not other person's fault, it is only and only our unmet expectation, our frustrations, that just destroys the relationships. So शब्द बहुत important है. Yeah. So with this, I end this slide, and I would like to say that great relationships can really be built if we are mindful of what we talk, how we talk, and try and be empathetic to the other person. So कहीं ना कहीं वो blame game बहुत हद तक कम हो जाएगा, and धीरे धीरे with practice वो blame game खत्म भी हो जाता है. Next week I will be coming up with money abundance, where I will be talking about many of our beliefs that got created and how we can uncreate those beliefs. So with this, I stop the share screen and hope to have a beautiful relationships creation in your life, maybe the relationship with yourself. Okay, so now I open up for question and answers. There are a couple of chats. I would like to read them. And in the meantime, if anyone wants to talk, please feel free. Okay, so
Hello,
Anuradha, yes, everyone is young, but on my screen I just saw few faces, so I just said that. Yeah, welcome Geeta ji, welcome. I am ambivert and bipolar. Okay, vulnerable, please elaborate, ma'am. So vulnerable means जहाँ हम अपनी कमजोरी दिखाना नहीं चाहते हैं, that is vulnerability. और कहीं कहीं ये connection भी है कि अगर हम बहुत, रवि, this is for you, कि अगर हम बहुत vulnerable दिखा देते कि हम कमजोर है, हम hurt हो गए हैं, हम helpless feel कर रहे हैं, तो हमें ऐसा लगता है कि people will take us for granted. So we try to show up as if मुझे कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ा, because we don't want to become powerless. Okay. And twin flame is not the topic of today. Next time, definitely, I will come up with a webinar where I'll talk with twin flames and soulmates maybe. Yeah, Anuradha, you said very, very correct. Ego too plays a big role, or ego वहीं से आती है. Yes. So ego clashes, and ego is something which can rub the other person very badly, because if my ego is hurt, I will make sure to see that the other person comes and says sorry to me, because he or she did not behave the way I was expecting him or her to behave. Yeah. So in hypnotherapy, is it possible to erase memory or certain words? No, we cannot erase any memory. We can help you to come out of certain emotions that got stuck in time. We can help you to come out of those emotions, but we cannot erase any memory. क्या होता है, वो जब तक हम इमोशंस और उसकी लॉजिक नहीं समझते, तो हमारा माइंड वहीं वहीं बार बार जाता है, और हम शायद अवेयर भी नहीं होते क्यों हमारा माइंड जा रहा है, क्योंकि हम स्टक होते हैं इन टाइम. तो उन इमोशंस को जब हम ठीक कर लेते हैं या हील कर लेते हैं, तो दिस हैपन. सो दिस इज फॉर मनमीत. कभी कभी लगता है कि उस टाइम गुस्सा, जस्ट 1 सेकेंड आशुतोष, गुस्सा कर लेना चाहिए. यस, गुस्सा कर लेना चाहिए, बट देर आर हेल्दी वेज टू गुस्सा करने का, एंड देर आर वेरी गुड वेज टू गुस्सा निकालने का. बट इफ समथिंग इज वेरी वैल्यूबल, गुस्सा निकालने के बाद थोड़ा सा अपॉलॉजी करने का भी वो हैबिट होना चाहिए, बट इतना भी हद तक गुस्सा नहीं कर लेना चाहिए कि वो गुंजाइश ही नहीं रह गई कि उसको हम ठीक कर सके. या yes, somebody was talking. I'm so sorry now. Whoever was, please feel free.
I think there's a question by Nachi. How to end toxic relationships while staying positive and not walking away either?
Yeah. So is it in chat, Vidhi?
Yes, it's in the chat.
Okay. Just a second. How to end toxic relationship while staying positive and not walking away? Yeah. So see, if a person decides not to walk away from a relationship, and you are thinking that it has turned really toxic, so there must be some hook, there must be something because of which you are continuing that, right? तो उस चीज को पहचानना होगा. एंड हर चीज का दो पहलू होता है. मे बी वी आर लुकिंग एट ओनली द टॉक्सिक पार्ट ऑफ इट. देयर मस्ट बी समथिंग डिफरेंट, something that can be changed. So focus on that and work it out, and find out what is it that is affecting you. So when you work on what is your unmet expectations, because of which certain thing is appearing toxic, at times can help. And at times there are relationships which really go toxic. So usme you have to choose. So whatever choice we make, uski baad fir regret nahi karna chahiye. That would I say. So what is it? Family and love, past positivity, maybe. It would be better, Nachi, if you can just unmute and speak, because reading me many a times, the message loses its.
Yeah. So what is not allowing me to walk away? Hello. What is not allowing me to walk away is family.
Okay.
Positive experiences and love we have shared in the past.
Yes. So that's,
and so the idea is maybe the toxicity needs to go away, not the relationship in itself. So
yeah.
How to do that?
Yeah, so when you experience some toxicity, right? So it's a personal experience, ठीक है? Maybe सामने वाला ने वो toxicity actually जिस extent में आपने, suppose if it is you, हाँ? I'm just for this I'm saying, if it is you who has experienced, आपको ऐसा लगा, you perceived it as if it was toxic. So definitely there were some unmet needs of yours जो fulfill नहीं हुए, उस वजह से आपको वो toxic लगा, या जिस तरीके से होना चाहिए वो नहीं हुआ. So you should heal that part of you who felt a certain way, right? There's always a referral point in life. कहीं ना कहीं past से, बचपन से, especially from 0 to 8 years, I would say, there are certain events, memories which need to be dealt maybe, or there may be some unmet experiences जिससे आपको डील करना पड़ सकता है. Yeah. So Nachi, if you are satisfied with the answer, that's great. Otherwise, feel free, take my number. We can get on to one-to-one call for 10-15 minutes where I can discuss, because many times things are very personal, and one is not comfortable maybe. So बहुत specific, ये एक broad answer मैंने दिया. To give you very specific answer, I need to know what is it that you're talking about.
Sure.
Yeah, thank you.
If you
Thank you.
want like a personal session, you can always book with us, and you can come for like an induction session. That is the first session. We can give you what suggestions we have and how do we work around this therapy also if you are looking for it. And then you can decide whatever feels comfortable for you.
Yeah, thank you, Vidhi. Thank you for covering that part. Thank you. Anyone, anything else? So I hope.
Yeah,
Yes, please.
yeah, ma'am. Somewhere I had read, probably it was by McKinsey research, that sometimes showing vulnerability is good for relationship. Means,
Yes. It is good, but
yeah,
हमारी कंडीशनिंग क्या हो जाती है ना कि नहीं नहीं हमें वल्नरेबिलिटी दिखाना नहीं है क्योंकि ये निशानी होती वीकनेस की। ठीक है,
yes, yes,
तो वो
yes.
नहीं दिखाने के चक्कर में बिकॉज वो कंडीशनिंग वैसी होती कि हमें वल्नरेबल नहीं बनना है, देन व्हाट हैपेंस वी टेंड टू शो अप अ वेरी वेरी बोल्ड फेस, और वो बोल्ड फेस इज ओनली फिल्ड ऑफ एंगर बेसिकली. ओके, सो दैट्स व्हाट आई एम सेइंग, इट्स ओके टू बी वल्नरेबल बट वी हैव दिस कंडीशनिंग एंड बिलीव कि हमें वल्नरेबल नहीं बनना है. वल्नरेबल पावरलेस लोग होते हैं, वीक लोग होते हैं.
Yes, yes. Thank
या
you.
या
Madhuri ma'am, may I say something?
यस आयुषी, प्लीज गो अहेड.
Ma'am, first of all, I attended the last session, which was on
Yes.
father related trauma, or maybe father related gratitude that we should acknowledge.
Yeah.
So that was very good. मैंने उस वक्त कुछ नहीं बोला था. I felt it will be soon. I wanted to understand whether it worked very well in my case or not, but it did,
Mhm.
and thank you so much for that. I feel much better while communicating with my father after that session. And when it comes to today's session, I only have one question, that many a times when you show that you are vulnerable and you are expressing, but other people who are involved in that relationship are not communicating that well, and they are actually using it to their advantage.
Yeah,
And they're
again,
not.
yeah,
So
Ayushi.
what are we supposed to do in that situation?
Yeah, so Ayushi, वहाँ मैंने एक जगह बोला ना, we tend to start acting as a victim. ठीक है, वल्नरेबल बन के और फिर ना वो विक्टिमहुड में घुस जाते हैं. तो कहीं पे भी ना हमें विक्टिम बनने के लिए नहीं, हमें ना अपनी कम्युनिकेशन, अपनी वो जो जो मैसेज कन्वे करना है, दैट हैज टू बी डन रादर वी स्टार्ट ब्लेमिंग. हम ऐसे उस लूप में घुस जाते हैं कि जाने अनजाने में हमको पता ही नहीं चलता है that we start because of you I am going through this, because of you this is happening. ये एक ऑटो पायलट मोड में हम घुस जाते हैं जहां we start becoming vulnerable and victimhood में घुस जाते हैं, like becoming a victim of that person. Maybe that person has made me into this particular feeling. ऐसे मोड में घुस जाते हैं. तो वो फिर क्या होता है, सामने वाला उसको ब्लेम गेम ले लेता है. जब ब्लेम गेम लेता है तो एवरीबडी ट्राइज टू डिफेंड हिमसेल्फ और हरसेल्फ. देन ऑल द पास्ट रेफरल पॉइंट्स ऊपर आ जाते हैं. अरे तुम क्या बोल रही, पिछली बार तुमने ऐसा किया, ये किया, वो किया. ऑल दैट टर्न्स इनटू अ बिग 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 कॉन्फ्लिक्ट. Are you able to connect? So सामने वाले को
Ma'am,
भी
actually,
माइंडर नहीं बनना है.
मेरे
Yeah.
question का जो aspect, the kind of thing that I've experienced or what I'm talking about is not exactly being vulnerable and trying to communicate in that. My point is, while trying to understand the other person's problem, or while trying to understand what they are going through, and you
Yeah.
are sitting and keeping your patience with that person, whatever he or she is trying to express, because that happens a lot of times with siblings, also friends, and when we are talking about the workplace friendships and colleagues.
Yes.
So a lot of time, you are trying to understand, and you are keeping your patience, but the other person take it as an advantage, that okay, she's trying to understand, so they express their emotions in a way where you feel like, okay, I made a mistake making that effort.
Okay.
That's what has happened in the past.
Okay, so might be your expression suggest कि आप किसी specific incident आपके लाइफ में हुई है जिसकी वजह से आप उसको recall करके बता
हाँ,
पा
ये
रहे हो।
बहुत सारी बार हुआ है ऐसा कि
हाँ,
हम कभी एफर्ट लेते हैं, सामने वाला आपको इस तरीके से, आई थिंक व्हाट आई एम ट्राइंग टू कन्वे इज इमोशनल रिजेक्शन व्हेन यू आर ट्राइंग टू अंडरस्टैंड द अदर पर्सन बट दे आर rejecting you instead of expressing what they are I mean they are not ready to communicate and they have their issues and I'm ready to understand it but they are still not coming to the same
yeah, I get
page.
it, I get it. When we are into the grip of that emotion, किसी भी emotion में जब हम लोग उस grip में होते हैं, तो ऐसा लगता है जो मतलब understand if let me understand मतलब when I'm replying, you just connect, try and connect if I have understood you correctly. कि जब कोई किसी grip of emotion में होता है ना, उस समय अगर हम कुछ बोल भी देते हैं, तो we try to give them suggestions. ठीक है, हमें लगता है कि हम उसको खाली बता रहे हैं, समझा रहे हैं, बट हम कुछ ऐसे सजेशंस कभी कभी दे जाते हैं या इतने डम बैक कर जाते हैं एज इफ द सामने वाला पर्सन विल थिंक एज इफ इसको कोई फर्क ही नहीं पड़ रहा है। तो आई डोंट नो हाउ द अदर पर्सन टुक योर प्रेजेंस। ठीक है, सो इट अगेन गोज बैक टू द पर्सन हाउ ही और शी फेल्ट व्हेन यू वर बिहेविंग द वे यू वर बिहेविंग, राइट? तो इट इज टू उससे पूछना होगा कभी जब वो अच्छे मूड में हो रहे, उस दिन तो मैं तुम्हारे लिए इतनी प्रेजेंट थी, क्या हुआ था? सो मे बी समथिंग गेट्स रफल्ड व्हेन दे डोंट एक्सपेक्ट, या मतलब जिस वे से हम बिहेव करते हैं वो उनके एक्सपेक्टेशंस लेवल के अकॉर्डिंग नहीं होता है। ठीक है, अगेन दैट इज देयर अनमेट एक्सपेक्टेशन एट टाइम्स। और इट कैन बी कि आपको लगता है कि आप बहुत अच्छी बातें कुछ बोल रहे हो या यू आर जस्ट ट्राइंग टू सिट देयर एंड बी क्वाइट, तो कभी कभी शायद उस वो भी शायद वर्कआउट नहीं करती है। सो अंटिल लेस आई नो वेरी स्पेसिफिकली व्हाट हैपेंड ना, इट इज डिफिकल्ट टू आंसर कि सामने वाला कैसा फील कर रहा था एंड आप कैसे बिहेव कर रहे थे।
There are just moments जहाँ पे you are emotionally present. Okay, whatever you want to do, are you feeling okay? You want me to be there, and the moment you walk away, that you want to give them space.
Yeah.
Like they want you to wait,
But they will
and
never open
they
their
want to
mouth
move
and
on themselves. But they want to move on themselves.
yes,
So you are stuck waiting. Ki,
yes.
okay, what is happening? Why am I waiting for you? And I'm not bothered. I'm not emotional about that situation. It's you I'm trying to help, and then you are
Yeah. So
behaving like that. So
yeah, so उस मोमेंट में
that's
आयुषी which part of you got ruffled? Heal that part of you कि ठीक है, मेरी चॉइस थी, मैंने बैठने का चूज किया, फिर मेरी चॉइस थी, मैं उठ के चली गई, अब उसके बाद वो नाराज हो गई, तो what inside of me got ruffled, something inside you got triggered and ruffled, तो heal that part of you और deal and talk to that part of you कि it's okay, मतलब वो उसकी वो थी, उसकी वजह से मैंने अपने तरफ वो ब्लेम क्यों ले लिया? We have this inherent tendency ना, मेरे वजह से हुआ